Okay, so can we start now?
For sure.
All right. So our topic today, we will discuss on how to improve workplace safety through responsibility, accountability, and digital occupational safety and health practices. All right. So when people talk about workplace safety, the first thing that comes to mind is preventing accidents. For me, the best way to do that is by identifying hazards early. If we can spot risks before something goes wrong, we have a chance to prevent injuries altogether.
I agree that hazard identification is important, but I think employee behavior deserves equal attention. A workplace can have safety procedure, warning signs, and inspection, yet accident can still happen if people ignore them. Safe behavior has to be part of everyday work.
My view is slightly different. I think communication is the key issue. Many accidents happen because of information does not reach the right people. Workers may notice problem, but they don't choose not to report it, or supervisors may not pass safety information to their team very clearly.
I can see all your point. To me, responsibility connects them together. Hazard identification, safe behavior, and communication only work when people accept responsibility for safety. If workers believe safety belongs only to management, many risks will go unnoticed.
Yes, Mr. Nakyudin. I agree with responsibility, but I think accountability is what turns responsibility into action. People can say they care about safety, but unless someone is responsible for following up on reporting and fixing a problem, not much change. Accountability ensures that action is actually taken.
That's true, Mr. Jameer. I also think workplace should prioritize action based on risk. Sometimes organizations focus on small issues because they're easier to solve. Meanwhile, more serious hazards remain unresolved. If resources are limited, the highest risk hazard should come first because they have the greatest potential to cause harm to the workers.
So, my old dearest friend, I agree all of your opinion. So, even though, however, I have a slightly different perspective. I think technology can help solve many of these problems. Digital reporting systems make it easier to report hazards, assign responsibility, and monitor corrective actions. They also provide records that can be reviewed later on.
Yeah, I agree with several points raised so far. In my experience, workplace safety improve when responsibility, accountability, communication, and technology works together. No single solution is enough on its own.
Good. It sounds like we all agree that preventing accidents should come before responding to them. The difference seems to be where each of us places the main focus.
Exactly, Magat focus on hazard identification, while I focus more on worker behavior. But both approach aim to prevent incidents before they happen.
My focus on communication support both of those. Even if hazards are identified, workers need to know about them. Information has to move quickly and clearly.
So our ideas are different, but they are connected. Responsibility influence behavior, communication, and reporting. Without personal responsibility, safety system become less effective.
I'm respond. I think accountability deserves special attention because it answers an important question. Who will act? If a hazard is reported, someone must be responsible for fixing it and updating others on the outcome.
That's why prioritization matters too. Let's say if 5 hazards are reported on the same day, management must decide which one are requires intermediate action. Decision should be based on risk and not based on convenience.
Okay, all the challenging and issue that we all raise up, we can use the technology can support the process. A digital system can classify hazards according to risk level, then send reminder as well as keep the record of action taken. It doesn't replace people, but it helps people make better decisions.
I agree. However, technology is only a tool. Some organizations invest in digital system but fail to improve safety because people stop using them properly. Leadership plays a major role in sustaining this system.
Puan Dahlia, can you explain what you mean by leadership in this context?
Okay, Mr. Margaret. Leaders influence workplace culture through their actions. If managers regularly review safety reports, discuss hazard among the workers, and respond quickly to concerns, employees are more likely to take safety seriously. If leaders ignore safety issues, employees may do the same.
So leadership affects behavior as much as policies do.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, exactly. People often follow what they see rather than what they are told.
That is also affect communications. Employees are more willing to report hazards when they know their concerns will be taken seriously.
Yes, I agree. And when they report, it lead to action. Accountability become visible. Employee can see that reporting hazard actually make a difference.
So another point is continuous improvement. Safety should stay the same year after year. Organization should learn from incident, near misses, inspection, and employee feedback.
I agree with Mr. Ajmer. Reviewing past incident can reveal patterns. If the same issue keep appearing, it's a sign that current control are not working well enough.
So again, now is digital system can help us with that too. They collect the data and can be analyzed over time. Instead of relying on memory, organization can make decisions based on evidence.
Yes, true, Mr. Muhammad. That's one of the biggest advantage of digital OSH practices. They support continuous improvement by providing information that helps organization identify trends and make better decisions.
Okay, after hearing everyone's views, I think our main similarity is that we all want to prevent harm before accidents occur.
The differences are mainly in our priorities. Some of us focus on behavior, others on communication, accountability, leadership, or technology.
But those differences are useful because workplace safety is not influenced by many factors. Is by not many factors. Sorry, safety workplace safety is influenced by many factors, not just one factor.
Okay, responsibility remain the foundation because everyone has a role to play.
By additional accountability, ensure responsibility are carried out.
Yes, correct. I agree with all of your points. Risk-based prioritization help organization focus on the most serious hazard first.
Again, as I can conclude here, as part of my portion is digital occupational safety and health OSS tools support faster reporting, better tracking and informed decision making.
And strong leadership combined with continuous improvement helps ensure that safety practices remain effective over time. Workplace safety is not achieved through one solution. It is built through consistent effort, learning, and shared commitment from everyone involved. So I think that's all. Thank you everyone for your valuable insight and perspective on workplace safety. Your contributions have made the discussion more meaningful and informative. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
all.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.
10:38.